All right, so yeah, we got the Casekoo case. Let's see what we got on this one. Without further ado, let's bring in the samurai sword. Open that up. See what we're working with today, okay? So I'm gonna be careful. I know, safety first, safety always. Go ahead and get that opened up. This is a pretty common brand on Amazon, okay? So let's see what we get in the box. Okay, there's a little bit of an open up there, a little bit of peeling. Alrighty, so what you got on the agenda, Casekoo? Let's see. First and foremost, we got the case itself. Not bad packaging. Then, of course, under that case, I'm gonna pull this case out. We get a little bit of information about our stand. So talking about the 360 rotatable stand, the magnets, and it's certified military protection. Oh my goodness, this thing can be thrown out of a plane or something crazy. Now that claim is goes to speaking. Then on the inside, you've got some couple of different stickers in here that absolutely somebody will love to represent that brand. But right now, we're not interested in all that. I just wanted to show you guys what you get in the box. What I am interested in for $41 is how this actually looks on the phone. So again, we've got it right here. Let's go ahead and bring it in and see what we're working with today. So this is going to be more of a shimmer sparkle case. See, I'm gonna see which camera picks it up better. See if you guys can see right there on the S25 Ultra, it's picking up those sparkles. Mighty nice. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see so much because the lighting's a little bit more difficult, but if you guys can see on this one, it's got some sparkle action going on. So of course on this case right here, it's built for that oversized gigundous camera bump that we've got this year. Then you've got your magnet ring that can rotate around to be able to prop up your phone. So that's pretty cool. Then on the bottom, y'all know the usual, right? You're gonna have all the goodies, microphone, USB-C. I'm gonna tell you, I'm worried about this because it's a little bit on the more slender side. You guys can see that right there. It is that opening for the USB-C is a little teeny tiny. I might be wrong. Now, I'm gonna ding Casekoo on this for $42. Y'all couldn't even cover up the camera control button? What kind of tomfoolery is this? What kind of haberdashery is this? That's terrible. So Casekoo, that's a ding right there. Why couldn't y'all cover this up for $42? This ain't no like $14 case off Amazon. Then you got your power button. You got your little cushions in the corner for falls. Action, volume up, volume down, okay? Nothing super crazy going on with this case. I'm gonna give it the white glove treatment though. Try to keep these nice and purty for as long as we possibly can. So let's go ahead and pick up our phone. Okay, still in A1 condition. Should be, I just pulled it out. Go ahead and pop on our Casekoo and then we'll take a trip around. So I'm gonna do this top first. Get that in there nice and good like you guys saw. Just pop that in. And top, and then we're going to pop in the bottom. Okay, so let's take a look around and see what we got now that we got the phone in there. So at the bottom again, I'm not really sure what this little opening is. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera. It's like an extra little opening right here next to the microphone. So these are symmetrical. I think that's the word, symmetrical. These are symmetrical on either side. But you got this random like little opening over here to the side that goes to nothing on the phone. I don't know. I didn't design it. Then you got your camera control button. Open. Ding on that. Casekoo, $42. What the heck? Power button. Okay, at least the power button sounds pretty good and clicky. You guys can hear that. Then on the back, this is how it's going to look with that camera plateau. Right there. Nice protection. Then here's the side. Nice tactile buttons. Okay, so pretty good all in all so far. So let's go ahead and do like we normally do on the Bobby G channel. We're going to test this out, put it through its paces. We don't skip out. Well, I try not to skip out. And if I do, you need to come after me in the comments. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out this made by Apple USB-C cable. Let's get this open. Let's get it pulled out and see what we're working with, okay? So So this is the Apple USB-C cable. Let's see how it fits. Bring it in, plug it in right here. So you guys can see with the USB-C that's provided with Apple, no issue, right? It fits pretty good. Not too bad on there, so it fits pretty good. But I am curious. Let me see here. Let me see if I can find. Okay, here's my more heavyweight champ. This is going to be my anchor cable. It's larger. Ooh, yeah. Sorry, I wasn't prepared. Okay, let's bring in this anchor cable. Plug it in. So with the anchor cable, it's beefier. It's still pretty good. It's actually got some room to grow there. Okay, so the anchor cable, USB check is all right. Okay, so not bad there. Let's go ahead and bring in our MagSafe and test out this strength on this magnet. Okay, so normally I do the charger, but this time I'm going to use my MagSafe stand. Okay, so bringing in my MagSafe stand. Let's go ahead and get that on there. Give it the Bobby G patented shake and bake test. So let's go ahead and shake it up, shake it. Whoa, that don't look right on the side. Okay, we ain't gonna show that angle, but we're gonna shake this camera, shake the crap out of it. It's not going anywhere, okay? So you guys can see right here, I'm shaking it. It's not going anywhere. So all in all, the MagSafe is good on there. Let's take a look at the front and then the back, and then we can close this out. So what we're doing on this Casekoo case, say that 10 times fast. It's gonna have a nice, evenly raised bezel all the way around the front for that face down protection. So right there, we're good. Now beyond that, flipping it over, looking at the back side of it, you're gonna have slightly raised corners, 1, 2. On the bottom portion of your case, at the top, that camera plateau is gonna do all the raising for you. It is raised up even higher than your cameras, a little bit, right, to give it that back down protection. So all in all, that's it, folks. Okay, I just want to show you this Casekoo. I don't have a lot from them just because, I'm gonna be honest, a lot of them didn't look good, so I didn't want to try them out. So this was the Casekoo one. Let me know in the comments section. I'm gonna link it like always. Y'all know what to do, right? If you like it, if you want to try it, use my link because why not? It costs you nothing and it helps me out tremendously. You know what? Last thing before we close out, let's try the stand. So I want you guys to see. Bam. So that's that Casekoo. Let me know if you guys want to pick it up. It's your boy Bobby G giving you my first impressions and unboxing on this 17 Pro Max case. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to me, y'all. Let me know what's up. Let me know what we can try next on the channel. I'm out. Peace.